Hello, USA, Facebook, and YouTube. Happy Memorial Day. God bless the troops. God bless everyone. Have a safe holiday. I'm going to make a quick meal in the pan. I'm going to cook hot dogs with mustard, sauerkraut, pickles, sweet relish, and of course the hot dog rolls. These hot dogs are really good. I got them from Whole Foods. And they're uncured, and they're all natural. They're really good. I'm going to cook them in canola oil. This is only going to take a couple minutes, but this is the traditional East Coast hot dog, Dansoy style. But I'm going to cook 2 hot dogs in there and freeze the rest. And then once they're cooked, I'm going to put them in the hot dog buns and then just top it with everything else. But basically with hot dogs, you can do whatever you want. You can put onions on top, tomatoes, cheese, whatever you want to do. But for today, it's Sunday night, almost 10 p.m. It's almost Monday, Memorial Day, and I'm going to make this quick meal. But it's the traditional East Coast hot dogs. Yeah, I'm going to cook these really soon, just those 2. It's coated with canola oil. But like I said, I didn't need all those hot dogs, so depending on your family and how many hot dogs you buy, you can always put them in freezer bags and put the date on there. They'll last forever. So you can always get like 2 or 3 meals out of stuff where there's no waste. Alright, so we're back. And like I said, you can cook them in a pan or grill them, or if you have an indoor grill, but it doesn't take long. We all know that hot dogs are best on the grill outside, but if you don't have time, you can just fry them up here. And then after that, which hot dogs only take a couple minutes, then we can go right to the bun and all the condiments. And we're using today just yellow mustard, but use whatever mustard you want. Alright, so the hot dogs are cooked. Just cook them to the temperature and darkness that you want. Put a char on there if you want. And now I got the hot dog rolls. And this is where the fun begins. But it only took me like 2 minutes to cook this. Alright, so the hot dogs are done. We're just going to put them in the bun. And then we're going to add the stuff to it. But it's a typical summer hot dog treat. You know, you got your nice hot dogs there in the bun. Everything's fresh, but it's your typical summer meal. You could add coleslaw, macaroni salad, whatever you want. But I'm just making quick hot dogs. It's Memorial Day. Loving the USA. Loving our troops. Loving this country. Now we'll take those hot dogs and add everything, and then we're done. It's a quick meal. And you can even cook it at, like I said, at 10 p.m. at night. Dansoy, aka Batman. Alright, so we're back. We have the hot dogs in the buns. We're going to use yellow mustard, German sauerkraut, pickles, and relish. So we're going to throw some mustard on there. And just basically put on the amount that you want. I'm a person that likes a lot. So it's your kitchen, your taste. Alright, so we're going to put the relish on. Excuse me today, like I don't have a stand for this phone. And but soon I'm going to have a new camera with 4K. And I'll be more professional, but I'm still going to be the amateur cook. So just put relish on there. And like I said, just put on what you need. All right, just the next two things and we're done. We enjoy our Memorial Day hot dogs in the USA. All right, so the next step is put your pickles on. And if you want, you can cut them up and put more. And then you can top it with sauerkraut. This thing is going to be one heck of a hot dog. All right, so we're going to take our sauerkraut and we're just going to put it on their hot dogs. But hopefully soon, I hope by Wednesday, I'll have my new camera, 4K, and I'll have a stand. And I'll be able to do like more professional stuff. So we're going to put the sauerkraut on that. Alright, so we're back, USA. We're here with the Memorial Day hot dogs. Now try to get that into your mouth. The sauerkraut's even falling off, so this will be a chore. And like I said, if you want to, you know, a typical summer barbecue, you can add potato salad, coleslaw, macaroni salad, whatever you want. Or you can take corn and cook corn, and you can make potatoes, or take these potatoes and you can actually make French fries in there. But today we're just concentrating on the hot dog. But there's your hot dog, New Jersey style, East Coast. Now try to get that into your mouth. But thanks for visiting my channel. God bless the USA. God bless our troops, the ones who gave their lives for our freedom. God bless the troops that serve us now to protect our homeland and to protect us overseas and to protect our borders. We love you. God bless the USA. Everyone have a safe weekend. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell. And thank you very much. Dansoy, aka Batman. God bless. Peace out. Enjoy. Be safe and healthy. Love you.